Hello, my fearless family. How is everyone doing today? Welcome. If you're new to my channel, I'm so super excited you decided to subscribe to my channel. If you're new and this is the first time you ever seen me, my name is Latasha. I talk about business credit, personal credit, business funding, and side hustles. Ah, that was a lot, wasn't it? Okay, so today I want to talk about personal credit and Navy Fed. So I believe the title of the video is, can you receive an increase without a hard pull on your TransUnion? If you're new and you just binge watching all the Navy Fed credit card videos and you want to know how you can get a card, stay tuned and listen. I'm going to give you my history with Navy Fed. I'm also going to leave links to previous videos where I discuss all of the cards and everything that I have gotten with Navy Fed. Okay, so let's just start with my relationship and when it started. I started my relationship with Navy Fed in November of 2021. I believe it was the end of November. It was after the holiday shopping. So after Black Friday, I applied for an account, just a regular account. I found out that you can't open a checking without a savings. So by accident, I opened 2 check-ins and a saving. I still have all 3. All of them are being funded. I instantly started my direct deposit. And now, a lot of people think it's about how much money you put in a bank. You guys, Navy Fed is a relationship bank, so you would need to set up some type of auto draft from your primary bank, or you can make Navy Fed your primary. I'm an entrepreneur. I work for my business, so my flow of cash is a little bit different than someone that is employed. So you know your frequency of how often you get your money is different. Just make sure that you fund your account. It could be $10, $25, whatever you can afford. Okay, just make sure you're making constant deposits because that builds up points, right? So I started that. So between the start date and my 92nd date, I had a lot of deposits. I was moving money from my checking into the savings account. And on day number 92, I applied for the cash reward card. I was approved for $25,000. And I actually had this open because I re-recorded my video, which I usually don't do. So this is the second record. So I applied for this card according to Credit Karma on the 25th, February 25th of 2022. The next thing I did was in April of 2022, I did a refi, an auto refi, 4% interest. And also in April, I opened up a business checking and savings, started direct deposit there from my business, which is still currently going on now. Then I waited until August 4th of 2022 to apply for the Platinum Navy Fed card, which I have not used, you guys. Now, between August and now, I haven't did anything. Like I said in a previous video, I have never used the Platinum, and I don't use the cash rewards that often. I think I used it maybe for some vacationing, and I'm paying it off slow because I want Navy Fed to know that I am going to use their credit. So right now, I think I owe like $393 on the card. And you'll see that because I'm going to show some screenshots at the end of the video. So I decided, let me request an increase. And I just said in the previous video, I did it for content. I wanted to see if I could, because a lot of people think that you have to actually unfreeze your credit to request an increase. No, you guys, it's based off of data points and your internal credit score with them. So I decided to go into the app. I requested from $25,000 to $35,000, right? And when I requested that amount, it then took me into the next screen was for me to verify my phone number, email address, make sure everything that's in their system is accurate. They also wanted me to update my income. And if you're getting child support, if you're getting alimony, if you're getting any type of other source of income besides your employment, make sure you put that. I put that I'm employed. I put my income, and I put where I work, which is for my own self, my company, my business. And then I submitted it. I received a message that told me that I would receive an answer within 24 hours. And from there, I was thinking, well, maybe I'm going to have to unfreeze my credit, because to my understanding, they don't give increases unless they can see your TransUnion credit score. I actually received, in less than 24 hours, I received a congratulations. Your new credit line is $33,000. Now, I requested $10,000, knowing that they only give in 8 intervals. So they only give you $8,000 every time they give you an increase. But I wanted them to give me the whole $8,000. That's the reason why I asked for 10. Okay. So that's after being with them. I knew I wanted to wait till after the full year of having this card before I asked for an increase. Some people will tell you wait 3 months in request, and then 6 months. I waited the whole year for an increase, simply because I really didn't need the credit. It just make your utilization look better overall with your credit score. The more credit you have, the higher your score, the more banks will give you money, you know. So, and I knew this was going to look good when it comes to applying for business credit, because I'm currently still working on my new business. I've been super busy this week, having meetings, planning, moving forward. I'm just really excited, looking forward to the future. But I wanted to share with you guys, you do not have to unlock your TransUnion. I would not unlock my TransUnion. I'm a stickler about inquiries. I only have 6 on my TransUnion, and I only have 5 on my Equifax. But I have a lot of credit cards, so I only apply for companies that do soft pulls. And if they don't want to give me what I feel like I deserve in credit, I just won't accept it, and I won't let them hard pull, right? So that's how I keep my inquiries low. Now, you can remove inquiries. I do have letters that can remove inquiries for you. That link will be directly below the video. I also have credit repair tools that you can use to repair your credit if you have a low score. Navy Fed is really good about giving second chances, and even if you're in the 600, you still can be approved for a credit card. You can just build up to that point where they give you $25,000, $30,000 cards. Okay. And what else I wanted to discuss with you guys? That is it. The links to all my videos will be after this video at the end, and the links to repair your credit will be directly below the video. Welcome again to all my new subscribers. If you're returning, thank you for watching this video. If you're with Navy Fed, and tell us your experience. Everyone don't have to fund their account. Some people instantly get approved for $10,000, $15,000. That's just not what I did. Okay. I do deposits. I build a relationship, because you never know, you might actually want to get a mortgage with them. You might want to buy a new car. They have a lot of great products. They're a great bank. I have no complaints with Navy Fed. The experience has been awesome. And Penn Fed has been awesome as well. So there are 2 great banks. If you can't get into Navy Fed, go over to Penn Fed. They give out credit cards too, you guys. So until the next time, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.